Asteroids, small, silent travelers drifting through the vast emptiness of space. To many, they may look like nothing more than floating rocks, but in truth, they are among the oldest storytellers of our universe. Each asteroid carries secrets billions of years old, memories from a time before Earth was even born. These cosmic fragments were formed during the creation of our solar system, about 4.6 billion years ago, when dust and gas began to collide and stick together under the pull of gravity. Planets like Earth, Mars, and Jupiter formed from the largest clusters, but what was left behind remained asteroids. Most of these ancient travelers lived peacefully in the region called the asteroid belt, a vast zone of Jupiter filled with millions of rocky bodies. They're not really from sleeping. Some asleep, full of gravitational planets, and wander across space. Occasionally, one of them crosses paths with Earth. Sometimes it passes by harmlessly, but other times, it hits. And when that happens, the results can change history. 66 million years ago, one such asteroid, about 10 kilometers wide, struck our planet near what is now Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. The impact was so powerful that it created a crater more than 150 kilometers across. It sent dust and debris high into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight and cooling air. In a matter of weeks, the dinosaurs were gone, and life on Earth was never the same again. All destruction only began, allowing moments and ancient humans to rise. But asteroids are not only a symbol of danger, they may also be easy access to. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, asteroids carried water and organic molecules, the building blocks of life, to our young Earth. These icy and rocky messengers could have helped create the oceans and even the spark of life itself. If that's true, then humanity owes its very existence to the same celestial objects that could one day threaten it. Today, scientists continue to study asteroids closely. Each mission teaches us something new about the universe and our own origins. NASA's OSIRIS-REx mission, for example, visited the asteroid Bennu and brought back samples to Earth in 2023. These tiny grains of dust may reveal how planets formed and how life began. Similarly, Japan's Hayabusa missions returned samples from other asteroids, giving scientists clues about their structure and composition. Asteroids also carry immense economic potential. Many are rich in rare and valuable metals, gold, platinum, nickel, and cobalt, materials that are essential for technology and industry on Earth. Mining these cosmic bodies could one day fuel a new era of space exploration, providing resources for future colonies on the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Private companies and space agencies are already planning missions to explore this possibility. What once seemed like science fiction is now becoming reality. However, while asteroids hold promise, they also represent one of the greatest natural threats to humanity. Space agencies around the world constantly monitor near-Earth asteroids, objects whose orbits bring them close to our planet. There are thousands of them, and new ones are discovered every year. Even a small asteroid, only a few hundred meters wide, could release energy equivalent to millions of nuclear bombs if it struck Earth. That's why NASA, ESA, and other organizations are developing defense technologies to protect our planet. In 2022, NASA's DART mission made history. For the first time, humanity successfully changed the path of an asteroid by deliberately crashing a spacecraft into it. The test proved that, in the future, we might be able to deflect dangerous asteroids before they reach Earth, a crucial step in defending our world. Beyond the science, asteroids also raise deep, almost spiritual questions. What if one of these wandering stones once carried the seeds of life not only to Earth but to other worlds too? Could there be planets somewhere out there where life began the same way, delivered by a fragment from the stars? If so, then asteroids aren't just ancient rocks, they're messengers of creation, spreading the potential for life across the universe. Every asteroid tells a story of chaos, creation, and connection. They remind us that the universe is not empty or still, but alive with motion and change. They remind us of our fragility, yet also of our strength, the ability to understand, to prepare, and to survive. One day, humans may walk on these silent worlds, mining their metals, studying their origins, or simply standing there in awe of how far we've come, from being shaped by asteroids to shaping our own destiny among them. Somewhere out there, beyond our sight, countless asteroids continue their eternal journey through the dark. Each one spins quietly, untouched for billions of years, carrying fragments of time, fragments of the beginning, and perhaps fragments of our own future. If you enjoyed learning about the mysterious world of asteroids, don't forget to subscribe for more deep, fascinating space stories. Milky Way. Your one click helps this channel reach the stars. Rocket sparkles.